Hey TechKnowStuds! One thing that takes pen testing to the next level is red team, blue teams. So in this lesson, let's talk about red team, blue teams. The concept is really quite simple. You have two teams, an offensive team and a defensive team. When you're playing offense, you're the pen tester, you're the hacker, you're the one trying to exploit vulnerabilities to get into the network and then leverage it somehow. When you are the defensive team, you're trying to guard against that. You're trying to keep that offensive team out of your network. All we've done is just put labels to it. You have the offensive team, who is the red team, and the defensive team, who is the blue team. Now, if your company is large enough and they have a big enough security department, they might have a full department that's just the red team, or a team of people within the department that's just the red team. And they're constantly trying to hack into the network, that are trying to find vulnerabilities, that are trying to do whatever they can to get into the network. And the blue team then is everybody else who's trying to guard against that from happening. There are also red team, blue team events. So perhaps what you do in your company is you just have an exercise where you split them into red teams and blue teams, and then you pit them against each other. And it's a great way to explore the network and figure things out on your network. And it's a big learning opportunity for everybody involved in the company to become more secure. There's also, if you go to a conference, they'll have red team, blue team events where they have some sort of challenges and you're put on a team and then you're doing the same thing. You're carrying it out, but it's just more of just like a contest type of thing. So there are different events that are out there that will carry out these red team, blue team events. Now, there does need to be some communication that happens between the offensive team and defensive team. So perhaps maybe you have is an integrated team where both of them are working side by side, one to hack and one to be able to defend against that. The other thing you might have is a purple team, and that purple team is the go-between these two teams to make sure that they're coordinated and that overall things are running smoothly. So that's another team that could be involved here, and it's purple just because that's red and blue combined make purple.